Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Dodge Magnum SXT. This four-door wagon has a 6-cylinder, 3-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Dodge has less than 65,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.